Hello, everybody. I hope you are doing great. First of all, today I'd like to show you such a beautiful place here because for me, nature is amazing. You're able to feel some confidence, maybe because you can see right now a lot of birds here. And the second question is your own vision, how you can live here right now in modern society, because lots of people think about it a lot all the time, and that's why I like to tell you something interesting about your personal life. I would say it is like a great opportunity for you to realize who you are here right now in this world, because people think they are happy or they can be a successful person in the future. Okay, it's great, uh, but sometimes we don't know how to become a successful person, really, because we worry about everything in this world. And the main problem is your own vision here. It means we need to focus on our subconscious. For instance, when you think about positive or negative situations in your personal life, and just imagine how your life can change totally. I would say on 100%, and imagine your life and how you can change it so easily without any problems, because people think about it a lot, especially nowadays, when we have such a difficult situation, I would say, which is called COVID-19. But imagine if you think about it a lot, you can attract it to your personal life because you think of it all the time. It means the law of attraction works here. And some people don't know about it because they don't believe in it. I'm sure you can do that if you have some ideas how to express yourself and feel some happiness in your brain. And people think it's impossible, but it's possible. Just trust me, and I hope you can do that in your personal life and you can become a good person here in modern society. I don't know, whatever you want. And some people think, okay, if it's possible, how can I achieve it? I have a solution for you. Just believe in yourself and try to focus on some positive things which you have here right now. Not tomorrow, not yesterday, here today. Think about your own ideas. Maybe you like to work as a teacher or something like that. Possible. It's possible, really. And yeah, of course, it looks like a challenge because I would say life is challenge for you. Everything is challenge for you. And we are able to see how people can see different opinions about everything which they have here right now. And I wish you all the best, and I hope you can enjoy your personal life and achieve everything, whatever you want. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you later. Bye bye for now.